Good morning to all of you. Till question number 8 we have to complete it. We have to discuss about the circle till question number 8. Anyone have any doubt? Now we have to solve question number 9. We have to solve question number 9. You see that question number 9 tell that in figure xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. First we have to make the figure. This figure have to given in the book. So see that suppose this is our circle. You see that two parallel tangents are given. First tangent is xy. First tangent is xy. Second tangent is x dash y dash. Till here anyone have any problem? See that question tell that xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. A circle with center O which have two parallel tangents. First parallel tangent given xy and second parallel tangent is x dash y dash. And another tangent AB. And another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and with x dash y dash at B. We have to draw another tangent. See that? Suppose this is the another tangent which have to cut at the point whose point of contact given C, and this tangent cut xy at point A and
This figure is very complicated, so in exam it will come. So figure will be given.
you have to now figure it will be given in the question. Without figure how to make, there are no any instructions given about the figure. And you see that after that we have to join O to A and O to B. Question have say that prove that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. We want to prove that this angle equals to 90 degree. This we want to show that this angle is the 90 degree. You see that? It means we want to prove that angle AOB equals to what? 90 degree. You see that we have a given figure in which there are two parallel tangents xy and x dash y dash, and there is third tangent which intersects the two parallel tangents at point A and B and touch the circle at point C, and this point C is the point of contact. Till here anyone a problem? Now questions tell that you prove that this angle AOB equals to 90 degree, and you see that there is also diameter of the circle given. There is a diameter of the circle given which cut the tangent xy at point P. It means touch the tangent xy at P and x dash y dash at point Q. You see that this point P is also contact, point of the contact. This point Q is also point of contact. This point C is also point of contact. We have to attach. Now we have to do one construction is here, which that we have to join O to C. What we have to join? O to C. Till here anyone have any problem? Now we start solving the question. Now to start solving the question. Solution 9. We have to select two triangles. We have to select two triangles, triangle OAP and triangle OAC. What we have to select? Triangle OAP, this one and this one. Triangle OAP and triangle OAC. You have to mention the solution. First join OC. First have to join OC. Now from figure in triangle AOC and in triangle AOP, you see that this is a 90 degree or not? point of contact. If we have to join from circle to the point of contact, this is the perpendicular, there is the 90 degrees. From center, if you have to join the point of contact, it means from the center, if you have to draw the radius at the point of contact, this is always perpendicular. This we have to prove in theorem number 1. Okay, and this is also 90 degree. You see that we have two triangle AOP and triangle AOC. We try to show that these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. You see that these two angles are equal to each other. Otherwise, you see that OP equals to OC or not. Radius. OP equals to OC. This is the and OA equals to OA, common side, and AP equals to AC. From external point, these two are the tangents. A is the external point. From here, these are the two tangents. If you want, then you have to show the congruency by side. Otherwise, you have to use the right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Right angle, hypotenuse, and one side or this side. You have to use any property. You have to prove by the side criteria. Otherwise, you have to use the right angle, RHS. You see that in triangle AOC and triangle AOP, angle OPA equals to angle OCA equals to 90 degree. Till here, anyone have any problem? OA equals to OA, common side. OA equals to OA, common side, and OC equals to OP, radii. Till here, anyone have any problem? This is the 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse, common side or hypotenuse. Till here, anyone any problem? This implies that triangle AOC congruent to triangle AOP by right angle, hypotenuse, side criteria. If you have to want to prove this by side criteria, this side equal and this side are these three sides are equal, then by side criteria we also prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, then corresponding angles are equal. It means angle PAO equals to angle AOC. This angle 1 equals to angle 2 by CPCT. This implies that angle PAO equals to angle OAC equals to angle OAC by corresponding part of congruent triangle CPCT. Till here, anyone have any problem? So see that we have to mention similarly. What you have to mention? Similarly. You see that in triangle OCB and triangle OBQ. Similarly, in triangle OCB and triangle OBQ, these two angles are equal to each other or not? 3 and 4.
Yes.
Angle OBC equals to angle OBQ. Till here, anyone have any problem? Achha. You all have to see that XY and X dash Y. This is your XY and this is your X dash Y dash. These two are parallel. And AB is the transversal or not? This AB is the transversal or not? You see that? We have no any use of the PQ, na? See that? Here we have to use this AC. This angle we have to require. Whole angle and this whole angle. You see that? This is the whole angle of this one or not? And here this is also whole angle 3 and 4. We have to discuss about angle 1, 2 and angle 3, 4. You see that XY is parallel xy and x dash y dash are two parallel lines and AB is the transversal. AB is the transversal. You know that the sum of two interior angle is, so these are the interior angle or not? Angle PAB plus angle QBA, these are two interior angles or not? Anyone have any problem? The sum of consecutive interior angles are 180 degree. This we have to read in lines and angles, check class 9. If two lines are parallel and one transversal cut it, the sum of consecutive interior angles is 180 degree. You see that from figure. What you to mention? From figure. Angle PAB plus angle QB A equals to what? 180 degree. Why? Consecutive interior angle. Till here anyone have any problem?
No, sir.
Acha. This implies that you see that angle PAB equals to what? Angle PAB equals to what? PAO? No, 90 degree. How 90 degree? These two are not equal. Na? First you have to prove that these two are equal. Angle PAB equals to what? Divided in two part or not? PAO plus angle AOC. At the place of PAB, we have to distribute into angles or not? Angle 1 plus angle 2. And angle 1 is PAO plus angle OAC. You see that? At the place of PAB, we have to write angle PAO.
Sir, in place of PAB, how will it, sir? Because B is downside also, sir.
Listen to me. In PAB, in angle PAB, we have to distribute in two parts. PAO plus OAC. This whole value is equal to PAB or not?
Yes, sir.
This at the place of PAB, I have to write PAO plus angle OAC plus angle OAC plus angle OAC plus at the place of QBA, this whole QBA angle 3 plus angle 4. This whole is the QBA or not? And QBA divided in two parts. Angle OBC plus angle OBQ plus angle OBC plus angle OBQ equals to 180 degree. Till here anyone have any problem? Suppose this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2 and this is your equation 3. Till here anyone have any problem? Till here anyone have any problem? Now see that from equation 1, 2 and 3. You see that in equation 1 angle PAO equals to angle OAC. Angle PAO equals to angle OAC. It means these two values are equal to each other. It means this have to written like two angle OAC or not.
Yes, sir.
From equation 1, 2 and 3 at this place angle PAO at the place of angle OAC. We have to mention PAO, or at the place of angle PAO we have to mention angle AOC. These two angles are equal to each other. It means this part you have to written like two angle OAC plus two angle OBC. Two angle OBC equals to what? 180 degree. This implies that angle OAC plus angle OBC equals to what? 90 degree. We have to show that this angle, angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 90 degree. Mention that. We have to select triangle OAB. We have to select triangle OAB. In triangle ओ ए बी, एंगल ए ओ बी प्लस एंगल ओ ए बी प्लस एंगल ओ बी ए इक्वल्स टू व्हाट 180 डिग्री. ओ ए बी plus angle OBA plus AOB equals to 180 degree. You see that this we have to calculate 90 degree. This you have to calculate. OAC I mention or OAB you have to mention. Both are the same angle. Either OAB, either OAC. If you want, then you have to mention at the place of here OAC and OBC equals to 180 degree. And this value is 90 degree. This implies that angle AOB equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. Anyone have any problem? Wait. Question number 10. This is the theorem. This also given in the R.S. Agrawal theorem number 8, I think. Question number 10 is the theorem 8 in R.S. Agrawal. You see that what theorem I have told that? Prove that the angle between the two tangents. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. First I have to make the figure. Suppose this is your circle given. There is any external point given. Suppose from here you have to draw the two tangents. These are the two tangents.
So from one point we can draw.
And suppose this is the circle. Here is the point of contact. You have to join this point of contact. Question say that suppose this is angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. We have to show that angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree.
99.
You see that? Prove that angle between the tangent drawn from external point. It means this angle plus this angle we want to prove that 180 degree. So you know that. First you have to mention the given thing. Given a triangle C with center O comma R, and there are an external point A which have cut the touch the circle at 2 points. It means AB and AC are two tangent. This is the homework. Only I have to explain this. This is too easy. You see that? Question number 10. Otherwise you have to prove that. Don't worry. Means question number 10. Mention given. We want to prove that this will be equals to 180 degree. Angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. This theorem I have to tell that. This you have to prove that angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. You see that O B C A is a quadrilateral or not?
Yes, sir.
O B C A is a quadrilateral, and sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And you know that whenever we have to touch the tangent or point of contact from the center, this always is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. These are two angles are 90 degree. Then remains is 180. This only have to prove that. This is the proof of the theorem. This is the proof of theorem. Question say that ki prove that the tangents where meet this angle plus angle at the center, angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. This is the provement. Only in 3 or 4 lines you have to prove that. Question number 10. This is the homework. Try to prove it. Okay, given. Write down. Given a circle. What you have to mention? Given a circle C with center O comma R. No, write down in your class work copy. Given a circle C with center O comma R with two tangents AB and AC. Okay. After that, this is the given. This is the given. To prove you to mention. To prove angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. If you want, then make the construction also. Join OB and OC. Join OB and OC. Proof. Okay. Proof. In quadrilateral, what you have to mention? In quadrilateral, O B A C. In quadrilateral, O B A C. Angle OBA plus angle OCA plus angle CAB plus angle BAC equals to what? 360 degree. Don't talk. From figure. Angle OBA equals to angle OCA equals to 90 degree. Why? Center to join the point of center to join the center joining the point of contact. Center to join the point of contact. Whenever you do from center to join the point of contact, this is always perpendicular, and these two angles are 90 and 90 degree. This implies that remains angle. You have to put the values. Angle OBA 90 plus angle OCA 90 plus angle BAO plus angle BAC plus angle COB. Here you are also mentioned CAB, and this is COB. This is the COB you have to mention. You see that these are the four angles of the quadrilateral. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This is angle COB equals to 360 degree. Whenever I have to mention, you have also see the blackboard. I have to write these things are equal or not. You see that you have to mention the quadrilateral OBAC, and four angles. The sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. It means OBA this angle plus OCA this angle plus BAC this angle and COB this angle. These four angles equals to 360 degree. Angle BAC plus angle COB equals to 360 degree. This implies that angle BAC plus angle COB equals to this 180 degree, and this we have to mention by x and y. X plus y equals to 180. This is the proof of the theorem.